In this virtual studio bundle review, I'm going to be showing you how you can create TV quality videos in minutes with professional virtual backgrounds that will make your videos look great. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Virtual Studio Bundle, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says videos that instantly captivate viewers to increase conversions. Create TV studio quality video in minutes using professional 3D animated virtual studio. So a lot of people, they don't have backgrounds for their videos. I actually like this background that I have right now. It's not my favorite background. My favorite one is actually my kitchen. If you guys have been following me, you know that one. But it's hard to get a background that you really, really like. If you've got just a horrible place to record at and you're trying to create videos and it's just awful. You've got like a blank wall behind you. It's not interesting at all. You can use these to make your videos or even sell this as a service and make other people's videos look really, really nice. So it puts virtual backgrounds behind you. So ready to use animated virtual studios. It actually moves around and stuff. 3D animated motion video backgrounds. Static green screen virtual studios, virtual studio builders. You can actually make it so you've got like three things going on your screens in the background. They even have green screen actors that go along with this. So it makes the video go from like this to like this in about 15 seconds. It makes it look really, really nice. And for those of you that do video marketing, you understand how important that is to have your videos look nice like that. Unique video backdrops here. You can actually see what they look like here. Easy to customize. Easy to integrate. They show you how to do all of that inside of here. Ready to use animated virtual studios. You can see all the different examples. You can even come here and take a look on the sales page at these and actually take a look at what these actually will look like on your videos. Of course, they're watermarked so people can't steal them from them. But they also have green screen virtual studios. You can actually have something here and like present and have something on a screen behind you, which is kind of cool. If you've got like presentations or courses that you're making or you're doing sales videos and stuff, like pretty neat looking how this all works here. Let's scroll down through that. They've got animated motion video backdrops included as well. I'm just going to scroll through because you can look at that in your own time. PowerPoint Virtual Studio Creator. Inside of here, so you can do it all inside of PowerPoint here. Green screen actors that you can use in your videos if you want to. And then of course, looks like there's a coupon. So make sure you check that out. It looks like a $10 coupon that you can get off of this on the sales page. So check that out there. All these are available on the sales page for a one-time price. I'm gonna go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm gonna come back and show you what you're gonna get when you access the product and the OTOs.
Turn your boring mainstream video into highly engaging TV-like professional video in seconds. Just like this, or this, and this. Yes, video is not only hot, but it's taking over the internet entirely. And having a good quality video is never enough. It has to be unique and stand out from the crowd. Introducing 3D Virtual Studios. It's a real unique and huge pack of animated virtual studios, static green screen virtual studios, full HD motion video backgrounds, virtual studio builder where you can build your own virtual studios, plus ready-to-use green screen actors. It's super easy to use. We have a complete step-by-step tutorial to help you get started. 3D Virtual Studio is the all-in-one green screen video solution. We have everything you need to increase conversions and sales with your video. So what are you waiting for? Download 3D Virtual Studio now and start creating video that brings real results.
Okay, so when you access the product, you are just going to get access to a download where you can download all your different modules. They're pretty big files, so you got to make sure you've got some room on your computer. They've got like tutorials and everything included on that. As far as I know, there's one or two OTOs. The first one is going to be an upgrade to supersize your package, so you get even more stuff with this. You get even more backgrounds and assets and everything included inside of this. So if you really want to supercharge your bundle, you can get even more stuff here for a very low one-time price. There might be an extra OTO. I was a little bit unsure about that. I think it's another product of theirs. All the OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Virtual Studio Bundle and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I mean, these are backgrounds. It's not a fancy software that you get to play with. They're assets that you use on your videos. So if you're not doing video marketing, you should be doing it. But if you're not, this might not be right for you. And if you don't want to sell this as a service, then this might not be right for you as well. What do I like about this? These are really useful if you're doing video marketing, if you have a crappy background, if you want to make your videos look nice or make other people's videos look nice. If this is something that you've been searching around for and you finally have lucked out and found it, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Virtual Studio Bundle, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And click that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.